guys, it's girl MJ back with another video, and today I'm back with another how to make video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own fluffy slime. Alright guys, so the things you need for the video is some Elmer's glue, any type of glue. It only has to be liquid glue. You'll need some shaving cream right here, or mousse cream, and then you'll need a bowl, a mixing bowl, a spoon, and some borax or laundry detergent. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is get your bowl, and then you want to get your glue first. Open it up just like this. It's very sticky. And then pour in how much, it depends on how much slime you want. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of slime. Alright, so get however much slime you want. Then you let your glue sit for a little bit. I got a little bit of glue. Then what you want to do is put in your shaving cream. I'm gonna put in your shaving cream. I do not know how to open this. Oops, got it. Oh no. Okay. So then you want to open up your shaving cream and then squirt it in there. Just like that. You want to squirt in your shaving cream. This makes a lot of noise. Then you want to get your spoon and mix them both together, just like that. And then I'm gonna keep on mixing it together. If you don't get the consistency you want, then you might want to put a little bit more glue to add a little extra to it. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to get your laundry detergent or borax, whichever one you want to use, and open it up, obviously, and pour a little bit in. A little bit by a little bit. So then, close it up, get back to it, and this is how much I put in there. Oops, don't want to spill it. Then you want to mix it up together, and then it's going to be turning into slime. Really small. It's going to turn into slime at a time, so you want to keep on mixing. Alright. Keep on mixing until you get the consistency you want. So I'm going to keep on mixing here and then get right back to you guys. Alright guys, so I mixed it a little bit. Now you want to get a little messy and put your hands in it. Grab it and mix it up together. Just like this. Wait, and if you want to put food coloring in yours, you can. Even though I don't have food coloring, I'm just going to use a marker, because it kind of works for me, actually. It really does work. So yeah, this is how you make your own homemade fluffy slime. Mix it up some more. I'm going to put a little bit more glue because mine is kind of not really working. So I'm going to put, if you don't get the consistency you want, then you want to put some more of your glue if you think, but I'm just putting more glue just to, get it. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. You want to grab it, get it together just like that. Keep on mixing until, like I said, you get your consistency. I cannot speak, bro. For some reason, I cannot speak. Keep on mixing. Keep on rolling. Keep on mixing. You guys see this? Oh, it's getting better and better every second. Oh my gosh. I just made fluffy slime. This is so cool and so awesome. And yeah, this is how you make your own DIY fluffy slime. This is really cool. Now I'm going to add the food coloring in. Well, not the food color. I'm going to add some marker to it. Alright, so I'm going to get my marker. I'm going to use the color green today. I feel like it's just green. You know, I just feel like using green. So I'm going to open up. Okay. I can barely open up a marker. It's very hard. Okay. I can't do this. Gotta pause the video real quick. Alright guys, finally opened it. Got it right here. And I'm gonna dab some. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I get that on my. So gotta dab it in there. You know, you gotta dab it in there. And yes, really all you have to do. Keep on dabbing until you get the green color you want. I'm just gonna keep on dabbing everywhere. And yeah, so mix it up. Like she's not getting any color at all, so I'll be right back and then I'll get you guys after. Alright guys, so I'm back. I mixed it up a little bit. It didn't work, but I'm just gonna keep it white because it looks absolutely amazing. You guys see this though? It's kind of green. I don't know. It's kind of green, but it still looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna keep it this way, and yeah, I'll see how it goes. So this is how you make fluffy slime. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's getting better. It's getting better on my hands actually. So yeah, this is guys. I don't even know what I'm saying, but this is how you make fluffy slime. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye guys. Oh my gosh. Keep on jumping. Peace out.